Agiloft's Integration Hub allows you to seamlessly connect to more than 1,000 essential enterprise technologies so data can flow to where it's needed most. You no longer need to rely on your IT team or outside help to integrate with your most used apps. Any data exchange is possible. Powered by Workato, you can use pre-built connectors through Integration Hub that give you the option of connecting Agiloft to thousands of enterprise applications for a bi-directional flow of data. If a pre-built connector doesn't exist, there's a universal HTTP connector that connects to any system's APIs. Easy, no-code recipe building. Use Agiloft's no-code interface to create a recipe for a new integration. Setting conditions or triggers for actions like uploading a newly executed agreement. Build your own integration workflow from the many templated recipes that come included in the package. The NetSuite recipe is a perfect example. Quickly and easily build up a bi-directional flow of data between Agiloft and NetSuite in just a few clicks. Easy operation. Our informative dashboard provides information on your integrations to make sure your workflows are running successfully. And if they don't, clear error reports are generated to identify the problem, saving you valuable time. Seamless integrations and data flow. Salesforce integration is critical for many organizations and is a breeze with Integration Hub. Create templated contracts within Salesforce, and after filling in basic information, the contract is immediately sent to the counterparty, and a new contract record is created in Agiloft. Your sales team never has to learn new software to create new, standard contracts such as NDAs and SOWs. Now, they can see the status within the contract workflow as well as manage tasks and track obligations inside Salesforce. This all syncs back to Agiloft in real time. You can also build an integration with Oracle Fusion Cloud, where as soon as a contract is signed, the contract data is synced back to Oracle. An Oracle contract ID is created, and both systems are kept up to date in real time. Let data spread its wings throughout your organization and get everyone and everything connected. Agree and thrive with Agiloft's award-winning CLM platform